Hello, thanks for visiting my channel again. I've been using this one for how many weeks now. I'm tired for pull it out and put it in because this one is big. This is the one I use for to power my light for my aquarium, so that you don't know you're not dealing with the electricity always. So I just buy in Amazon. This one is the brand is Lardong. This one's for 18 Milwaukee M18 battery with a USB charger adapter. I get it for $30.93. Now is $14.99. I save $1.05. So that's a good deal there. So let's open the box and I'll show you how this one's works. It's gonna be work the same, but the good thing, they don't have this fan, only the unit by itself that you insert it. There's a power and there's a USB PML like that to put it in and power on my aquarium light. So let's open it and show it to you how this one's work. So let's do it and unbox this adapter. So I just get this one in Amazon yesterday, so this is the right time to open it the next day. So you can see it's sealed. And here's the box. Put the box on the side. So here's the box. Very tiny, light. So let's open it right away. So hopefully this one is not used. So sometimes when you receive it on Amazon used, so cross our finger, this one's work. So this the unit that I try to tell you. There's no any cable to charge on this one. Not it comes with it. So if you want to look this one, that's the part number. It says there Babaka replacement charger adapter. It says new and has a switch there. You don't see any click, but it slide freely. So let's try to put this one on. Let's see. Finger crossed. Hopefully this one's work. For a quick comparison for the Milwaukee brand, the color is a little bit up. It's not the same. Connection wise too, this one has 4 connection. This one has only 2. So that for idea, and you can just this one is my XC6. Very high output. So exactly mold is pretty nice. So let's see if this one compatible to this one. So let's try the cell phone first. Insert this one. So it's only insert one direction and put this one in the top. So it's support. So you can see there's a mark of charging there. So it works. So let's see if in my aquarium this one is work. Let's do it. Now try to remove this bulky pan that I have. Hopefully this one can support this light, that light there. Remove this pan quickly. Easy access. Put this one in. Insert the same as earlier. Put this one in on. So if you can see, it's already on. This one's there's a light, so switch this one. put it in on. So it's very good. So I have the light, so I don't need to deal with the one I have earlier. Now this is the right to do it. Very simple. All you need to do is spend a little bit money, like I showed it earlier. It's like $14 something. So it's good. I don't need to put in the outlet. I just use the USB, and I have the charger on this one. This one's lasts for at least 4.5 days. This big battery, there's a 4 bar there, so it means this one is fully charged. So I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. That's a simple idea. Nobody reviewed this one from the past, so at least now you have idea how this one's work. Put it in close or up. Put it in on again. Now has a light. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I'm out. And I use the 2 adapter splitter. Y. Connect it Y. It both works. Thanks again.